How to fix Snapchat notification sound not working. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Open up your Play Store. At the top search bar, typing Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Now as you do so, open up your Snapchat. Tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left and tap on settings icon. Here tap on notifications and make sure that you have toggled this all. Once done, open up your system settings, scroll below to apps and search for Snapchat. Here tap on notifications and make sure that you have allowed notification for your Snapchat. Once you do so, if it's still not working for you, then go ahead and reinstall your application after you uninstall it. Once done, restart your device and then you will be good to go. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.